We're going to explain how to fix the EOFError, ran out of input error in Python when using Pickle. This frustrating error typically pops up when you try to load a Pickle file that's either corrupted, incomplete, or not a Pickle file at all. Let's explore the common causes and solutions. 1. File corruption or incompleteness. This is the most frequent culprit. If your Pickle file was interrupted during saving, for example, power outage, unexpected program termination, it might be incomplete, leading to the EOFError. The solution here is straightforward. Try obtaining a fresh, complete copy of the file. If you don't have a backup, unfortunately, the data is likely lost. 2. Incorrect file path. A simple but easily overlooked mistake is providing the wrong file path when trying to load the Pickle file. Double-check your file path for typos or incorrect directory references. Use the absolute path to avoid ambiguity. For instance, if your file is in cmydatamypickle.pkl, make sure you're using that exact path, not just write single quote my_pickle.pkl. 3. File type mismatch. You're attempting to load a file that isn't actually a Pickle file. The file extension might be write single quote.pkl, write single quote comma, but the file's contents could be something else entirely. Verify that the file is indeed a Pickle file, perhaps by checking its contents using a hex editor, although this might not be easily interpretable. If it's the wrong file type, you need to load it using the appropriate method for its actual format. 4. Network issues for remote files. If you're loading the Pickle file from a network location, network interruptions can cause the EOFError. Ensure a stable network connection before attempting to load the file again. Consider downloading the file locally before processing. 5. Using write single quote pickle.load. Incorrectly. While less common, ensure you're using the write single quote pickle.load function correctly. It needs a valid open file object as an argument. Make sure you've opened the file using open, file name, RRB. The ARB is crucial for reading binary files. Pickle files are binary. For example, a common mistake is trying to load from a closed file object, or providing a string file path directly to write single quote pickle.load instead of the open file object. 6. Error handling. To prevent your script from crashing entirely, wrap your write single quote pickle.load call within a try except block. This allows you to gracefully handle potential errors such as EOFError without your program terminating abruptly. Here's how. Python try with open mypickle.pkl rb as f data =pickle.load f except EOFError print error ran out of input. The Pickle file may be corrupted or incomplete. Except file not found error print error Pickle file not found. Accept exception as e print of an error occurred e. By systematically checking these points and using proper error handling, you can significantly improve the robustness of your Pickle file loading process and effectively address the EOFError. Remember to always back up your important data.